If you're a nervous presenter, here's a tip that can really help, and it's around mindset. A lot of us will go into a negative thought pattern if we're nervous, and that will make things worse. We'll start to catastrophize. Change your mindset. Notice when you're catastrophizing. Notice when you're thinking about how bad it could be. You're thinking about all the things that could go wrong. You're thinking about scenarios in which you forget everything or everybody's laughing at you, what have you. It's very, very unlikely to happen. Think instead about how well it's going to go. Think instead about what that's going to feel like when you sit down to a round of applause. Think about what it's going to feel like when people come up to you afterwards and say, that was a really good presentation, well done. Start to frame it as something positive. It's a challenge. Your anxiety level is raised, but you got this. You can do this. That mindset is important. If you go into it with a, oh my God, this is all going to go horribly, horribly wrong mindset, it's more likely to, because your brain is just in panic mode. If you can go on going, okay, this is not my comfort zone, but you know what? I got this. What is the worst that can happen? You're far more likely to succeed, and not just that, but to thrive. I think mindset's important, and it also gets easier the more you do it. Now, it's so easy if you are a nervous presenter to go, I don't want to do it, and just avoid it at all costs. But the more you do it, the easier it gets. And the more you do it, the less reason you'll have to be nervous, because you'll start to learn. I know how to do this. It went well last time. It's going to go well this time. It will go well next time. So just check in with your mindset and allow your mindset to be positive, to acknowledge your nerves, but to know you're a great presenter. You got this.